everybody, happy Tuesday. This week we're going to do a cool Tool Tuesday. And I've chosen to show you a tool that Brian got me for my birthday, I think 2 years ago now. He picks out really good birthday presents. But I'm going to show you my OBM, Origin Blade Maker's belt sander. So let me move the camera and we'll get to it. So here it is, the OBM belt sander. Takes up quite a bit of space, so you need to have a good area in your studio and a space to really bolt it down to a secure surface. But it's really easy to change out the belts, and you can get all grits of sandpaper in these belts. I've got them hanging up here. So it's really nice, and I especially love it for ring shanks, because I can just come up here, set it on the surface right up against the belt sander and get a nice flat. So I'll just demonstrate that real quick. You can see I'm starting to get those evened up. And it's nice and quiet, and I'll show you how to switch out the not the blades, the belts. So you just grab this handle up here, pull it down, and then you can release that grit of sandpaper. So if I wanted to switch it, I need something a little bit heavier on this one, and it's got arrows inside to let you know which direction to put it on. And then pull down the handle, get it around all the rollers, and release. And then when you turn it on, it will kind of level itself out on the rollers. Nice, smooth, and even. A little bit hot too. But I got some new belts. I haven't even tried them yet, but they're really cool. Nice, big, chunky. So let's switch one out. My table's a little bit too close there. Pull that out. Just grabbed this piece of brass that was laying in my pile, and I'm gonna test it out on this belt. See, it gives it a really nice surface, like when I used the 3M pad. It's been great for sanding the edges when I cut into found objects like the street signs. I can just kind of come over here and smooth up the sides. and just clean that up rather than using my nice files, which I do have to keep them separate for this, but yeah, it's just kind of easier and quicker. So it's been a very handy tool to have in the studio, and I can use it for doing word working and different projects. So really, really like this. I hand hold the camera, it might be a little shaky, but give you a little closer look at the sander. And then these are all the belts that I have right now. I've got a box of some more. So I need to make some more hooks up here so I can keep some belts separate for aluminum and silver. Got a nice little big stop button if I need to hit that real quick. But just a really nice belt sander. And they're made in Portland, Oregon. But I highly recommend it if you're looking for a belt sander and want to support a USA made product. I really love how it the surface it gave that brass. Let's see if I can get up here closer. Just kind of cleaned it up and gave it a nice texture. So that's just a very quick peek at the belt sander. I don't know why I'm having a hard time saying belt sander today, but just a quick peek at it. There's other accessories, jigs and things that you can get with it. It's really a slick tool, very well made. I'm enjoying it. I'm sure I haven't even touched all the uses of it that I could be doing, but it's been very fun, and I hope you enjoyed seeing that tool. Maybe you've never heard of it before, and we'll see you next week. Before we leave, Jet wanted to say hi. He hasn't been hanging out in his little photo booth lately since it's colder. He's found a new spot right underneath the heat vent, the little smarty. So we put a bath mat up there for him. You're nice and cozy up there, aren't you, Jet? And say hi to everybody. Oh, you're napping, aren't you? I disturbed you. I'm sorry. All right. We'll see everybody next Tuesday.